Hello, the question we have today says if 4 over 3, comma m, 1, n form a geometric progression, we ask to find what is m times n. That's the product of m and n. So for us to find m and n, there are things we need. So this is this sequence is an exponential sequence. That's a geometric progression. We have to know the value of m. We equally have to know the value of n before we can find m times n. Now, what is the m? M is the second term, that's the t2, and n is the fourth term, the t4. Is that clear? And we know for us to know the value of the formula of t2 of a GP is given by t2 is given by the formula AR, and t4 is given by the formula AR raised to power 3. So we need A, we equally need R to get the value of M. Remember that M is the T2, that's the second term. We equally need A, we equally need R to get the value of N, and N is the T4. Is that clear? Now, from this sequence we have, from these numbers, we've seen that the first term, which is A, just know that, or you already know that T1 is also A. So we know that A, the first term is what? They gave us the first term, and it is what? 4 over 3. Is that clear? But watch, they only give us the third term. They gave us T3, the third term, they gave it us as 1. T3, they gave it as 1. Is that clear? So, and we know that this T3 has the formula AR squared. Now, listen up. We've known the value of A, and I say for us to get the value of M and N, we need A and R. We need A and R. Now, I've known the value of A. Now, it is now left for me to find the value of R in order to do the rest. So since I know that AR squared, that's T3, is given by 1, and I've known the value of A, I can find the value of R here. So the A is 4 over 3 times what? 4 over 3 R squared. Because I have AR squared, where A is 4 over 3, right? Will give us 1. That's what we are seeing here. So if I cross multiply, I'll have that 4R squared times 1 will give me 4R squared is equals 3 times 1, 3. Is that clear? So I'll divide both sides by 4 over 4. Cancel, cancel. I have that r squared is what? 4 over is 3 over 4. So if I have that r squared is equals 3 over 4. So if I want to get the value of r, I have to what? Square root both sides. If I square root both sides, because I'm having square, these two will cancel the square root. So I have r is given by square root of 3 over square root of 4. That square root of 3 over 4 means the same thing as this. So I have that the value of r is equal square root of 3 is a third all over square root of 4 is 2. So this is the value of r. Now listen, we are not trying to find only the value of r. We are trying to find the value of m and n. Then lastly, we look for m times n. Now recall that m is the second term, the T2, and is given by the formula AR. So I have that m, the second term AR, where A is 4 over 3. Don't forget this times r. R is what? Is this right? Times root 3 over 2. That's AR. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So the value of M is equals 2 times root 3. That's 2 root 3 over 3. I've gotten the value of M, right? Now let me get the value of N. I said that N is the fourth term, right? And the fourth term, the formula, we have that N is equal, the fourth term is given by AR raised to power 3 for a geometric progression. And N now will be equals A is 4 over 3. Don't forget 4 over 3 R raised to power 3 times R raised to power 3. R is what? Square root of 3 over 2. That's square root of 3 over 2 times square root of 3 into 3 times. That's raised to power 3 times square root of 3 over 2. I hope you understand. So I have that N is equals 4 will multiply all this. Is that clear? So I have root 3 times root 3. According to Saul, that will give us 3. Therefore, 3 times root 3. All of these 3 things will give us 3 root 3. Is that clear? Now, 4 times 3 root 3 will give me 12 root 3 all over 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 2, 24, right? I have n is given by 12 root 3 over 24. This 12 here, 1. 12 go to 24, that's 2. So the value of n is actually root 3 over 2. Does it make sense? So recall that we are asked to find m times n. So m times n now will be m is 2 root 3 over 3 times n, which is what? Root 3 over 2. Is that clear? So 2 can cancel 2, right? So I have that m times n is equal root 3 times root 3. That will give us 3 all over 3, right? So 3 divided by 3, the answer is what? 1. And that's our final answer. I hope you understand. Please have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Coaches Academy. Bye bye.